Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy chili garlic oil. Get ready to transform your meals with this incredibly flavorful condiment. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the simple cooking steps. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create a batch of this aromatic oil. It's perfect for noodles, rice, dumplings, or even just a simple toast. Let's dive in and get started on this exciting culinary adventure right away. For this easy recipe, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with about 1 cup of a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, which won't overpower the flavors. Next, you'll need a generous amount of fresh garlic, finely minced, and some good quality dried chili flakes. You can adjust the amount of chili to your preferred spice level. Don't forget a clean, heat-proof jar for storing your finished oil. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The cooking process is surprisingly straightforward. First, gently heat your neutral oil in a small saucepan over low to medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook until it's fragrant and lightly golden, being careful not to burn it. Once the garlic is ready, remove the oil from the heat. In a separate heat-proof bowl, place your dried chili flakes. Carefully pour the hot, garlic-infused oil over the chili flakes, stirring gently. The heat from the oil will bloom the chili flavor beautifully. Once your chili garlic oil has cooled completely, transfer it to your clean, airtight jar. It's best to store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks. This versatile condiment can elevate almost any dish, from eggs to stir-fries. Experiment with it and discover your favorite ways to enjoy its spicy, garlicky goodness. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals like on reading devices, make sure to check the description below for links and more information. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.